Are you someone who want to switch to IT from non-IT? Are you looking for job in IT? Then my friend, this video is going to be very important for you, because in this video I'm going to talk about why a professional resume is so important to get job in IT. Okay, so let me talk about why it is so important. It is important because a professional resume reflects your work. It reflects your complete journey. Okay, so that is why recruiter, the company, they are looking for people who can meet their requirement. So while preparing the professional resume, you have to be very careful while keeping all the project details, your name, your details, your skill set. This is very important. Okay, let's I'm assuming that you are working in non-IT, can be electrical, mechanical, banking, insurance, any kind of background, and you have done some courses, maybe from anywhere. Okay, maybe in data science, maybe in testing, maybe in software development, any kind of job, any kind of course you have already done. I'm assuming, I'm pretending that. Okay, so now it comes for resume building. I hope you know how to build that, but I will give some tips. What kind of points you have to remember when you're putting your resume. Okay, so number one detail that you have to put, which is very common, your names, your name, what is contact number, and what is your LinkedIn profile. And LinkedIn profile is very important nowadays. A lot of company, they before taking the interview, they go to LinkedIn profile. They just understand your profile, your background, what kind of person you are, what kind of work you have done. So they will get all the details from the LinkedIn also. In few cases, so it's very important to maintain a good LinkedIn profile. I hope everybody has a LinkedIn profile today. This is number one. And number two, which is very important. Okay, let's suppose you're applying for data science project or data science work, or let's suppose you're applying for software development kind of work, whatever you have niche. Okay, so first of all, let's suppose, I'm giving an example, let's suppose you're applying for data science. Okay, so before applying the data science, just go in the market and research that what are the tools are important for data science work or data science project. It's a Python required, it's a NLP required, tensor, whatever. You have to research. Okay, in the market before applying the job, you have to research that for data science, what are the tools, what are the skill set I need to put in my resume. Okay, so accordingly, depending upon the trend, prepare the resume and put the necessary skill set. For example, for data science, for machine learning, for DevOps, whatever. Okay, so you have to put the skill set, and that skill suits that whatever skill set you're putting in the resume, that should match with the requirement. Let's suppose you are putting Tableau. Okay, and in the market there is no opening for Tableau. People are looking for Power BI, but you're putting Tableau. So there's a mismatch, right? So your profile, there's a chance that your profile will not get shortlisted. So this is very important. You have to do some market research, that what are the demands in the data science vertical, in the software development, what are the demand for the skill, and that skill you have to put in the resume. This is number two. And number three is about the project. Okay, this is very, very important. I have seen that especially for non-IT people, they are not able to describe the project. So you have to be very nice way. You have to keep the detail in your profile, that what kind of project you have done. It can be a custom project, it can be some POC, it can be some learning, whatever you have learned in this process, right? So let's suppose I'm applying for data science project or data analytics project. Okay, so in that profile, when you're building the profile, you have to put the project regarding the data science, regarding the data analytics, regarding the software development, whatever you are preparing for. Okay, and that should be very extensive. And in that project, you have to mention your role and responsibility. What kind of role you was playing in that role on that project, and what was your responsibility, and what are the skill set that you have used or in that project. So there are some pattern that you have to follow that, and we have some format. We have developed some format. If you guys are looking for some help, you are looking for how to prepare a professional resume, especially for non-IT people who have done some courses from somewhere, and you're looking for job, you're applying for job, then reach out to us. We will definitely help you, because we are doing that for a long time. So these are some important points, my friend. If you are preparing for exam, or you have done some courses in non-IT, you're looking for IT job, then your professional resume plays very important. Let me tell you, it plays very, very important role to attract the company, to attract the recruiter. Because see, unless until you don't get interview calls, you will not get job, right? So first of all, you have to make sure that your profile should be good enough, a professional profile, so that company should call you. Only then you will get opportunity to perform an interview. And if you perform well, if able to answer all the technical aspect whatever they're looking for, your profile gets shortlisted and you will definitely get job. Okay, so are you someone who are looking for IT career from non-IT, or you need any kind of help in that regard, maybe in the professional resume building anything? Reach out to us. This is our contact number. We will definitely help you.